Hello kids, today we are going to study about adverbs. In previous classes we have studied about verbs. What are verbs? Verbs are called action words. For example, studying, working, playing, these all are action words or verbs. Now, today we are going to study about adverb. Let's study all about adverbs. Let's read the sentences. Girl runs quickly. This is a very sweet mango. Peter reads quite clearly. In the above sentences, some words are being highlighted. Runs quickly. Very sweet mango. Quite early. What these words are? These words are describing action word. For example, girl run quickly. How girl runs? Quickly. Now, action word is being described with an adverb, that is quickly. So what is an adverb? An adverb is a word which modify the meaning of a verb or an adjective or another adverb. Now in this sentence, this is a very sweet mango. Sweet is an adjective. Now sweet is being described with another word, that is very. Very sweet mango. Very is an adverb. Peter reads quite clearly. Reads is an verb. Now, verb is being described by an adverb, that he is reading very clearly. I'll give you another sentence. Poor boy looked at the food hungrily. Now, in the above sentence, looked is an action word. And how he is looking? Hungrily. So, hungrily will be an adverb. Okay. Now, I'll give him one more sentence. She sang very beautifully. Beautifully is an adverb and sang is an action word. Okay, kids? Now, let's study kinds of adverb. First is adverb of manner, which tells how. Adverb of time, which tells when. Adverb of place, which tells where. Adverb of frequency or number, which tells how often. Adverb of degree tells to what extent. Let's read adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner talks about how the action is being done. For example, the dog barks loudly. In the above sentence, the action word is barks. And how dog is barking? He is barking very loudly. Adverb of manner talks about, it answer the question how the action is being done. कि action कैसे हुआ है? In the above sentence, the dog barks loudly. The action is being done very loudly. Okay, I'll give you another sentence. The soldier fought bravely. In the above sentence, fought is an action word. And how soldiers have fought? Bravely. So you have to question yourself how. Then you can easily recognize that it is adverb of manner. I'll give you another sentence. The boy ate very nicely. Now ate is an verb, an action word. Okay, ate is a verb. Ate means खाना. तो वो कैसे खा रहा है? Nicely. तो that is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner talks about how the action is being done. कि action कैसे हुआ है. Okay kids? Next is adverb of place. Adverb of place talks about where the action is being done. For example, I am playing outside. तो मैं कहाँ खेल रही हूँ? बाहर. तो you have to simply question where adverb of place talks about where the action is being done. The group is singing outside. So what will be the adverb of place? Outside. The girl went upstairs. What will be the adverb of place? Upstairs. I looked for you everywhere. मैंने आपको हर जगह ढूंढा. If I'll question कहाँ ढूंढा? Everywhere. So everywhere will be the adverb of place. Okay kids? Next is adverb of time. Adverb of time talks about when the action is being done. Okay, for example, I'm saying when adverbs are used placed at the end of the sentence. It is usually placed at the end of the sentence, and it talks about when the action is being done. Okay, for example, I'm saying the chief guest arrived late. When chief guest arrived late. Okay, I'm saying I will come tomorrow or I will visit tomorrow. When I will visit tomorrow. तो बच्चा adverb of time talks about when action is being done, कि action कब हो रहा है. Okay, that is adverb of time. Let's move to the another example. The doctor reached immediately. When doctor reached immediately. So adverb of time talks about when action is being done. Okay. Now move to adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency talks about how often something happens. मतलब वो कितनी बार, how often means कितनी बार. It talk, for example, I'm saying I always eat an apple in the morning. कितनी बार? रोज. Okay, adverb of frequency talks about how often something is being done. They answer to the question how often. The train had just left the station. Just is an adverb of frequency. Okay, sorry, adverb of frequency is when the action, how often the action is being done. For example, he usually come to my house. How often he comes to your house? Usually. Sometimes I work in the factory. How often you work in the factory? Sometimes. Rarely and never means never it is being done. Rarely means sometime. Rarely means बहुत कम time. Sometimes means 50% chances. Often, regularly, usually, always, sometimes, rarely, never. These all are adverb of frequency. Okay kids, adverb of frequency answer the question how often something is being done. For example, I brush my teeth twice a day. How often you brush your teeth? Twice a day. I ate an apple once in a morning. How often you ate an apple? Once in a morning. So once will be adverb of frequency or number. I am saying they often go for a walk. How often you go for a walk? Often. Okay. I visited her house twice. How often you have visited her house? That is, twice will be adverb of frequency. Okay kids. Next is adverb of degree. Adverb of degree talks about answer to the question how much. For example, answer the question to how much or to what extent means कितनी हद तक. In Hindi it is called. The view from the top is very beautiful. The adverb very is an adverb of degree which modifies the adjective beautiful. Why are you eating popcorn so quickly? It is telling how much or to what extent he is eating. So the adverb so is describing the quickly, it is modifying the word quickly. Okay, I'm saying the work is almost done. In the above sentence, almost is telling us the extent or intensity of the action is being done. Adverb of degree, kids, talks about how much or to what degree of extent the action is being done. For example, I saw a very beautiful butterfly. So it is telling the to what extent it is having the quality of the butterfly. Very beautiful. Okay kids, adverb of degree talks about. Now let's do some exercise. The fur of the cat feels softly. The wound on your knee looks badly. Look at the blackboard carefully. The coffee tastes awfully. The chef tastes the soup happily. Tom looked at the lunchbox eagerly. These all are the adverbs that I have spoken to you. But these are adverb of manner. Let me quickly revisit. Adverb is a word that describe that describe verb, adjective or another adverb. There are five types of adverbs. Manner, adverb of manner, which talks about how action is being done. Okay, for example, I am saying Ram is sleeping quietly. Okay, or Ram is playing gently. How he is playing, कैसे खेल रहा है, तो दैट इज एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर, जेंटली और क्वाइटली. ओके, टाइम, आई प्ले वंस इन अ मॉर्निंग. अब यहाँ पर व्हेन ही प्ले, व्हेन आई प्ले वंस इन द मॉर्निंग, तो दैट इज एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. ही इज प्लेइंग आउटसाइड, वेयर ही इज प्लेइंग आउटसाइड, तो आउटसाइड विल बी द एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. आई often visit to the temple. How often I visit to the temple? I rarely talk to somebody. How often you talk to somebody? Rarely means kabhi kabhi. That is adverb of frequency, that talks about how often. मतलब कब, how often is basically what to say, कितनी कितनी बार, something like that. Okay, adverb of degree talks about how much or to what extent, means to किस हद तक. Okay, for example, the work is almost done. So almost is telling us the extent or intensity of the action being done. Okay kids, now see this. The girl runs quickly. How girl is running? Quickly. So this will be the adverb of manner. This is a very sweet mango. So what kind of adverb it is? Quickly tell me. It is adverb of manner. Okay, Peter reads quite clearly. It is adverb of manner. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. If you face any query, you can ask me. Thank you.